Today we are going to see very important topic in limits and derivatives. Falls under the chapter calculus. So here you are seeing a drawing on the right side. I call it as a parabola. So in this parabola, you can connect this parabola with the quadratic equation here, which means that when x approach the value 2, the quadratic equation becomes 0, which means that it becomes undefined. So our job as a math student is to find the nearest value to 2, the nearest value of limit 2. So while solving this equation, what is the nearest value of the limit 2? So to solve this equation, if you substitute the x value as it is in this equation, you can find 0 by 0, which is undefined. So you have to solve with this equation. So in order to solve this equation, there are so many methods were followed. Here particularly we follow first to factorial the given equation. So when we are multiplying the numerator, 3 into 10 numerator quadratic equation, which means that 3 into minus 10 equal to minus 30. Okay, and when you are adding two numbers, it should become minus 1. That's a concept here, how we are factorialing the process. You can find it in your lower class, how to solve this equation. So I choose numbers like minus 6 into 5, which means that minus 6 into 5 gives you minus 30, which we can find it when we are multiplying. We are getting minus 30 from the quadratic equation, and when you are adding this two number, minus 6 plus 5 will gives you minus 1. That's what I shown here by putting an arrow below. So we have to divide both the number minus 6 and 5 with 3. Okay, so when you are dividing both the number with 3, then you are getting minus 2 and 5 by 3. So here we substitute those two values, x minus 2 and 3x plus 5, and the denominator x plus 2 and x minus 2, which we got the denominator by by simplifying this x square minus 4. So when we are doing this both things, we simplified, evaluated this equation. All right, then now it's your job to substitute x equal to 2. When you are substituting x equal to 2, you are getting the number as 11 by 4, which is very close for the given equation when x approaches to the number 2. If you are not solving this equation and directly substituting the x value in the given equation, then you will get 0 by 0, which is undefined. Again, you have to solve as it's shown here in this example. So overall concept here is, in a parabola or in any graph, for the given number x, there must be the particular equation would be an undefined for the particular equation. So it's our job to find the nearest value of the undefined given value. That's the job here, to find the limits and calculus. So if you have any clarification, you can comment below this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to find more useful video related to mathematics. Thank you.